Hey friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you proof that this website that I'm going to mention in this video can really get you paid more than $300 in a single day. And before I recorded this video, I had to make sure that I'm reading all the good reviews, all the reviews on Google, if these websites are legit and safe. This website is a legit, it won't cost you anything, and it will be a decent way to increase your wallet with extra cash for lunch or gas. And this is what people are saying about this website. I just had to make sure that I'm not going to talk something that is really not going to make you any amount of money. So this is not a waste of time. You can start right now. The really good thing about this website is the task and assignment that you're going to be given from this website is that they're very simple and can be completed within 1 hour or 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It just depends on which website that you're going to choose on this video. So it's up to you to start right now and start treating this as a side hustle. Our first website is called Nexus Notes. This is a platform that you can start getting paid just by uploading your notes on this platform. You can be a student from university or from any college, and if you think that you have this material that you can share with others all around the world, you can just upload these materials on this website, which is called Nexus Notes, and you can start getting paid. The amount of money that you're going to get paid on this platform is around $17 per one sale. Let's say that you're selling these notes to more than 10 people, you're actually going to get more than $170 in a single day. So that's kind of a lot of money. And if you're a student, you can start treating this as a side hustle, and it's really paying off. So you have to go to this website, you have to join, and make sure that you sell these notes to different people around the world. You have to share your knowledge and anything that you can do to help one another. Our next website is called Trata. This website can be the easiest way for you to earn money online, and on this website you're going to get paid just by testing different applications, different websites, and you're just going to get paid by providing honest information, honest feedback about the given task that you were given on this website. And the amount of money that you're going to get paid more than $5 just after testing these websites and applications for only 20 minutes. So the purpose of you testing this different website and application is to realize what's wrong with this website and to see the full performance of this website. So after testing, you have to provide the feedback, and you're going to get paid just after testing this website. Let's say that you're just going to use more than 80 hours for testing this website, and you're actually going to get more than $120 in a single day. That's a lot of money. In a month, you're just going to get more than $3,000 just by doing that. Can you imagine making that kind of money just by testing this website and providing feedback on this website? So this is something that you can do. You have to go to this website, which is called trata.com, and join for you to start getting this assignment and getting paid. And our next website is called UserBrain. This is another platform that is going to pay you more than $5 for every video that you're posting, and on that video make sure that you're talking about the feedback on a certain product that you tested or anything that you tested. It can be about website, it can be about applications, and it can be about any product that you are testing. You have to record yourself giving feedback about this product that you have tested, and you're just going to upload to this website, and you're just going to get paid. It's really easy, and many people are doing this, so I think it's the best way for you to start making money out of it. And you have to join to this website just by doing the following. You have to go to this website, which is called UserBrain.com, and you have to apply to this platform for you to be accepted and start providing different feedback about the different products, website, and anything that is given on this website. There are a lot of assignments that can be given on this website, so you have to go to this website and start looking out for all the assignments that are supposed to be done. This next website is going to pay you more than $200 up to $400 just by doing a very simple task. This website will pay you just by driving your own car. So this is what you have to do. You have to allow different companies to place their ads on a small section on your car. It can be about anything. It can be about Uber. It can be about any business. So when these companies are placing the ads on your car, you're just going to get paid more than $200 up to $400 in a month. The purpose of doing this is for mobile advertising. You are just going to advertise their business in everywhere you go with your car, and you may be required to drive to specific roads to get different people's attention. And our next website is called bestmark.com. You'll be paid more than $30 per one assignment on this job, and the only thing that you have to do, you'll be going on a mission as a secret shopper, and you have to visit to different supermarkets, different groceries, and different places that people are going to buy things on that place. So after getting there, you will have to act as a normal customer, and the only thing that you'll be doing, you will be observing everything that is going on that given price. So if you do that, you have to provide feedback to this platform, and you have to explain everything that is needed to be explained on your feedback. And after doing that, you're just going to get that kind of money. So let's say that you're just going to get more than 5 assignments. That means that you're just going to make more than $150. So you really have to do this, and it's really easy. You just have to go to this website, bestmark.com. You have to join and wait for this assignment so that you can start making money just by doing this assignment. And it's really easy. I'm pretty sure all these assignments on this platform, they're very easy and they can be completed within very short time, so you can start making money just by doing so. You have to make sure that you are doing a lot of assignment so that you can make a lot of money. Okay, I'm really happy for you to choose my video and watch this video on this website that you can actually make money. And I had to make sure that I'm looking at the reviews on how people are saying about this website, so that you really cannot waste time on this kind of website that people are saying that you can make money, but you really cannot make money out of this website. So this website I've mentioned in this video, they are legit and safe websites. Anybody can start making money on this website. The only thing that you have to do right now is to go right away and start making money on this website. You don't have to say that you're going to start next week, you're just going to start in next month. No, because you've been watching video like this for some time now, I think this is the best time for you to start looking one website to another and see how many websites you are willing to start working with. Let's say that you are choosing more than 3 websites on this video, and to start making money through this website. I guarantee you that you are going to make a lot of money. You can make more than $1,000 in a month through this website. It just depends on how ready you are and how hard worker you are, and you really can do this. I'm pretty sure that anybody can do this, because we are in this world right now. You can make money through a lot of things. So I'm pretty sure that you're just going to take your chances and make sure that you are going to try this website that I've mentioned in this video, because I've seen people are making money on this website. So why can't you make money on this website? Thanks so much.